Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with the Incubator.com and welcome to another live trading session, guys. Before I show you the live trading session, I just wanted to give you some updates about for Golden Incubator, that how it performed in the last 24 hours. You're gonna see the same results during the live trading session. I just logged into my account and show you one more time that all the trades are closed and it starts trading for the next day in London session. So this is how it did so far, guys. As you can see, this is Goldie Incubator, and by the way, I highly recommend you to watch the installation guide for Goldie Incubator, that how you can install it on your MT4 and how you can get the best results. I highly recommend that. And then as you can see, we have account history here. I literally started running this on 21st and today is 26th. So in 5 days, it took a really minimum risk trade. As you can see, there is one loss here, only 2 and 3 losses, and the rest is profit, and in total it made $140.26. We also have these results verified on my FX book. I'm gonna leave a link below this video. Go check it out yourself, and I hope that you enjoy making profits completely hands-free. So without any further ado, let's get into the live trading session. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here with Incubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. I'm starting my day with GBPUSD 5-minute time frame, but before that I want to go to Forex Factory to see if we have any important news for today, which is January 26th. I'm going to change it to today's date, and let's see what we have here. Okay, wow. Today we have CPI news for New Zealand. For US we have FOMC press conference at 2:30, so we're not going to trade around that time for sure. But right now we have 3 important news for Canadian dollar currency. So after that at 2 p.m. we have this news for USD. So we got to be careful with this pair, guys. I'm going to keep an eye on it. It probably affects the other things as well. This BOC monetary policy report is a very important news, guys, for all of them. And also, as you can see, the New York Stock Exchange market is opening in an hour almost. So, but before that, we're going to identify the market. I mean, a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, it's very choppy and fluctuating. I'm going to identify the liquidity areas that are not still tapped into. So these are the areas. And for example, for this one, there's no liquidity here. Okay, so let's see if you have any high probability order block here. We have a break of a structure, major break of a structure here, that makes it a very strong resistance level right here. Okay, so that could be a potential break and retest, but as I said, I'm not really willing to do that. We have this high probability order block here, guys. Look at this candle. Look at this candle here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's a high probability order block, and it's amazing. We have an uptrend chart, and I would probably take the trade, to be honest with you, because we have this doji candle here and this momentum. So because right now we tapped into a really important order block, we could take our trade from here to here, 1-to-1. Okay, this is a really good one, and you can also leave a runner to here because of these 2 important zones for liquidity grab. Both of them are important, but let's see what's going to happen for GBPUSD. If I go to a 15-minute time frame, there's no order block here and also here, so I can't see anything here. It's just fluctuating. Nothing is going on exactly. So I'm in a position, as you can see. Let's go to here. That's a really good one. Yeah, if I can take it up to here, it's a very good risk-reward ratio trade. But at the same time, guys, you gotta pay attention to this level as well. We're gonna see what happens, because whatever it is, it's a break and retest, but this has more potential, guys. I think this zone is for distracting sellers, so this is a really good thing to take into consideration. Let's go to EURUSD to see what's going on right here. EURUSD, wow, very fluctuating, crazy. We have this order block right here, and there's we had this huge drop. And then the candle after that tried to tap into this zone, and then it left a gap in between from here to here. There's a gap. That's why it's a high probability order block. So we just need to wait for the price to come back to this zone and fill in the gap. And I'm gonna create a zone. I'm gonna create an alarm here. And also let's go to this. Yeah, even this one is a high probability order block, guys. See, this one right here, from here to here, because this candle is still not, hasn't tapped into the zone. So even this one is a high probability order block. We have this gap right here. So see, there's so many opportunities. There's so many reasons that the market has to come back up to kind of fill in all these gaps. But I'm not going to do anything, guys, for EURUSD for sure. Because see, look at these shadows. Look at all these shadows. So it's not a good sign to take a high probability trade, guys. And also we know that we have liquidity here. And we have liquidity here. And if I want to draw this line, you see that this is happening exactly right here. I can't find any high probability order blocks on the left, so I'm just waiting for. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this one right here. Okay. Okay. So meanwhile, let's take a look at the Goldie Incubator to see how it's performing on a VPS. So far we are up $10 since yesterday. Wow, we closed the trade for 174 bucks. Yeah, we are open. We are over $145, which is almost 1.5% in 4 or 5 days. In a week, I would say. It's a really good amount. And then we are almost at the end of January. So 4% for the end of the month is a really good one, guys. And this is it has an open trade right now. It only trades London session and a little bit of New York session as well. So far so good, performing really good. Now let's get back to our analysis. We go to NAS100 to see what's going on right here. Okay, so we had this strong resistance level that turned into our support level, and now it's a resistance level again. And if you look here, you see that we have, yeah, this is a low probability order block, guys. Don't get me wrong, this is a low probability order block here. We have a high probability order block exactly right here because of this gap. This is a really good one. And if I go to 50 minutes, still this is a low probability order block. Let's see what's going on here exactly. So every liquidity, all this liquidity has been grabbed. There's no doubt. So this liquidity is grabbed. This liquidity is grabbed. Alright, and we have this like breakout structure. We have this gap right here. You gotta be careful, guys, with buying, because we have this huge bullish trend after breaking these structures. You gotta be careful with that. So whenever it breaks this structure, it's going to leave some gaps, so the price can come back and fill in all those gaps. So we have so many of them here. In 15-minute time frame, I could identify this order block here, and then I could do in 5-minute time frame, I could do this time frame here, this order block here. So you got to be kind of careful with that. Just set your alarm near the closest location that you think the price has to go, has the most potential, so you can be safe when you're trading. Right here, it depends. If this candle closed above the previous candle, there's a high chance that it's respecting this low probability order block, and it's just trying to get back up and grab all the liquidity right here. Otherwise, it has to come back, fill in all these gaps, tap into this zone, and then it, whatever it happens after that, we don't know. It probably just keep breaking everything up to this level here, and then it gives us a momentum for buy opportunity. But so far so good. I can do this one as well. Let's see. I can set an alarm here too. Doesn't hurt. to see what's happening. Okay, so far so good. We have GBPUSD here. GBPUSD is getting respected. Like, I feel like that this is going to be broken because it's just a regular break and retest, guys. See here, this is exactly what's happening right now. So we are on trade in my FDMO account, 1 standard lot size, and let's see what happens. So if I turn on the trading sessions, you see that we are in London session. Green is London, red is green is New York, London is the red one, and the yellow one is Asia session. So we have liquidity in New York high and London high and in London low. So these things have to be touched. Okay, we gotta actually target these areas because these liquidity grabs should happen. Okay, but so far looks good. I'm not going to, I can do it one-to-one trade, guys, up to here if I want to, but when I can see a really good potential that the trade can go up to here, why not just holding it? You know what I mean? And then you can just bring your stop loss here, and then you'll be good. Because if I want to show you this from here to here, you see that we have our golden zone from here to here, and it's exactly touching our golden zone. Let me delete this, and then I show you this one here. This is our golden zone if you draw the Fibonacci level. So there's a high chance that we get a really good momentum after this candle, and then the price just drops significantly. There's a high chance, so we got to be careful with that. We can also move our stop loss up to here. See, we can do that as well, or you can just leave a runner. I'm just waiting for this momentum here because this is an important zone after this break of a structure. So break of a structure means that the structure of the market is changing, like the direction of the market is changing. So if it respects this level and then it gives me a bearish engulfing candle, I'm going to close my trade in a little bit of loss, and then I'm going to take this trade, sell trade, up to here to grab the liquidity here, maybe here, and maybe here. Okay, we have 3 zones here. It all depends on this order block here, and then after that, if it goes up, if it breaks this zone, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even, and then it's a risk-free trade, and then it probably can go up to here or even here. So it's a 1 to 6 trade. Let's see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it's blasting through this order block here, and then I just moved my stop loss to break even. So it's a risk-free trade right now. Like, whatever else happens, whether I stop out at break even or it just goes towards my TP, which is right here, because we have a really good TP liquidity grab here, and then my stop loss is a break even. So everything is looking very, very attractive to me. Okay, yeah, so far so good. Let's see how it's gonna play out, guys. So I'm going to remove this because it didn't get respected. And as I said, the power of order blocks, see how amazing is it, guys? See how amazing it is. It's crazy. High probability order block, momentum, pull 2 momentums at the same time, like back to back. I took my trade here, boom. Okay, guys, EURUSD just got tapped into. See, guys, it just got tapped into. We gotta wait for the next candle after that to see if it's a bearish engulfing candle. Then we can take our beautiful sell trade. But so far so good. It looks good. GBPUSD, same thing. GBPUSD, if I get it stopped out, I get it stopped out. Doesn't matter. It's a break-even trade. EURUSD, let's see what happens here. If it's a bearish engulfing candle, guys, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for this. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to our favor. The reason is that I really like the 15-minute time frame, to be honest with you, because it's so clean. 2 green candles, no correction yet. 5-minute can be kind of confusing. It's good to identify order blocks and then take a sniper entry. But so far, it's good, and this time I can really put my stop loss to break even, and then that's everything that I need to do. Let's do it. Okay, so it's absolutely a risk-free, stress-free trade. So no matter what happens, this liquidity has to be grabbed. So that's why I'm targeting this level. And let's get back to gold. Gold is a good one. It's been bearish since a few days ago. We have this clear downtrend chart. And if I want to show you this is our high probability order block. Just got tapped into, and we have this high probability order block because of this huge gap here. So we gotta see what happens, guys. We gotta wait for a momentum, and then as you can see, it's consolidating in a 1-minute time frame. We have this bullish engulfing candle. If it closes above the previous candle, it's a good sign. Then it's going to go up to fill this area. So I'm going to wait for a 5-minute time frame, and if the 5-minute time frame closes above this, then I'm going to take my 1-to-1 trade. I'm not going to trade based on 1 minute, guys. I don't know. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, GBPUSD. I think it stopped us out. Yep, break even, guys. It's break even. I probably re-enter my trade after this, because yeah, the target is here. As I said, if I get stopped out and break even, it doesn't matter. I'm going to re-enter my trade. But if I want to take a 1-to-1 trade, it would have been from here to here. See, it's a beautiful 1-to-1 trade, but I didn't. I just try to get more profit up to here and here because we have more potential areas. But I'm going to re-enter it, guys. I'm going to re-enter it. We have our 50% zone here, our golden zone here. So there's still some hope left. And then I can probably take my entry somewhere around here and then close it here this time, because I didn't want to wait for this area. Okay, so let's go to gold. EURUSD was good. EURUSD is still not respecting it. NAS100. Oh, this is what it was. Oh, now it's, see, this bullish engulfing candle, this rejection here, and this order block. This is a low probability order block, and because of this bullish engulfing candle, there's a high chance that the price tries to go up. Guys, even NAS100 could be a good trade right now, as you can see, because of this beautiful break and retest and this consolidation and this bullish engulfing candle here. It's a really good one in my opinion, because it's respecting this low probability order block. But as I said, it's a low probability. It doesn't mean it doesn't work, but still we have this order block here that needs to be filled in. And the risk reward ratio is not kind of like, it's not 1-to-1, a little bit this and that, but because of the potential that it had, I tried to kind of get into the trade. GBPUSD still coming down. I deleted every zone that we had. I could have taken a 1-to-1 trade in front of you, as you can see, from here to here, but unfortunately I just wanted to leave a runner up to here and here, but I got stopped out at break even, which is totally fine. And for gold, it's still not respecting it. So even right here I can put a zone, sorry, yep, right here, and then I'm gonna wait for NAS100. Look at this, guys. EURUSD is crazy. Didn't respect this order block, so the next one that we have is here, plus this level here. So this resistance level that now turned to our support level could be a good break and retest that the price goes up to here, because right here we don't have any high probability order blocks anymore. So guys, for this video, I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to keep you posted on my trades, that what exactly happened to them. So stay tuned. I'm going to record a new video, and then I'm going to put it in the beginning of this video so you can see exactly how we took a trade, whether it was a winner or a loser. So thank you so much for watching this live trading session, and I will see you so soon.